Hello, this is Trisha from Sandy and Otto, and I have a Thredup kit that has just been processed. This was sent in to Thredup on June 23rd. They received it on June 30th. It is now November 16th, so they have had this kit for 4.5 months. I did not have this kit rushed, but I did have return assurance as there were 5 items that they did not accept that they will be then sending back to me. I'm going to be going through this kit and I'm going to be changing the prices on this, and I forgot to make this bigger, so I'm going to go ahead and make this bigger so that it is easier to see. Um, the first item that I am going to adjust is this Land's End jacket. Now you can see that the price that they have here is $26.99. My total so far potential earnings is $171.11 if I do not adjust the prices. However, I'm going to go in and adjust all of my prices to max, which I'm going to start out at. And then I will adjust down accordingly to condition and, you know, just kind of gut feeling of what I think an item will actually price at. But just for these purposes, I want to go ahead and just put everything to max so we can see what the max is for all of these items. Now, as I said, this is a Land's End jacket, and this is a size 12P. I'm going to go ahead and increase this to $94.99. Now, this started out, which I forgot to mention, this started out at $26.99, and I'm increasing to $94.99. And I'm going to hit save price. This London Times dress is at $23.99. It is a oh, I didn't write down what size it is, so I am not sure. It does look a little larger, so I would think it's probably also in the 10 to 16 size, just based on the picture there. I'm going to increase this to $75.99 because that is the max. This Dana Buckman pullover sweater. This is, oh, and again, I don't know why I didn't write down the size on that one. But again, it looks like it's probably a medium or a large, and it's at $16.99, and I am going to adjust it to $56.99. I have Michelle casual skirt. This is a size 8. It's at $37.99. And I'm going to, increase this to $170.99. Ann Taylor Loft Dress, which is at $18.99. And they had it at, the dress is a size 4. And I can go to $55.99. J. Jill linen pants, which are at $34.99. And these I forgot to put on my list. I have a master spreadsheet that I keep track of everything that I am sending to Thredup, including sizes and dates and everything. And this item I forgot to put on that, so I do not have the size on that. Kenzie cocktail dress is at $21.99. It is a size 10, and I can increase that to $77.99. Bowden denim skirt, which is at $19.99. It is a size 12, and I can increase this to $47.99. BB Dakota casual dress, which is a size small. It is at $20.99. I can increase that to $75.99. Talbots silk pants, which are at $27.99, and these are an 18W. I can go to $102.99. Vince short sleeve silk top. This is a size small. They have at $39.99. I can go to $179.99. Van Lac, which are athletic pants. These are a size large and they are at $87.99. I can go to $279.99. Again, I'm just going to max prices to demonstrate what the max price is for each item. 9 West cocktail dress. This is a size 4. It is at $31.99. I can go to $94.99. Banana Republic factory pants. These are, this is another one. I do not have the size on, but from looking at them, they are probably like a size 4 or 6 also. This is $22.99. I can increase them to $63.99. J. Crew jeans. These are a size 27 waist. They're at $18.99. I can go to $101.99. DKNY cocktail dress. This is at $53.99 and it is a size 0. I can go to $237.99. A Columbia track jacket. This is a size extra small. It's at $24.99. I can go to $58.99. Jones, New York top. This is a 1X. It's at $13.99. I can go to $50.99. Susan Betro top. This is a size 3X. It's at $18.99. I can go to $56.99. Tommy Hilfiger skirt. It's at $18.99 and this is a size 8. I can go to $78.99. Topshop skirt is at $16.99. This is a size 6 and I can go to $47.99. Adriano Goldschmied jeans, they're at $27.99. I can they are a size 27-inch waist and I can go to $133.99. Sundays in Brooklyn sleeveless top is at $20.99 and this is a size extra small petite top. I can go to $70.99. Ann Taylor Loft Dress. This is a size 12 and it is at $18.99. I can go to $55.99. The Limited Blazer. This is a size small. It's at $23.99. I can go to $94.99. And an Eliza J casual dress, which is at $37.99, and it is a size 4. And I can go to $125.99. Now, if you are watching or you can go back and watch through, you can see as the prices go up, the payout percentage goes up and my payout goes up. Now, the items that they did not accept were another pair of Adriano Goldschmied jeans, a Ann Taylor Loft skirt, a Club Monaco top, a Garfield and Marks blazer, a Merrill pair of shoes, and a Travel Smith top. So now I'm going to scroll back up to the top and to see that my potential payout has gone from 171 to 611. That does not mean that I will get that money. It just means that if everything in here were to sell at the absolute max price, my payout percentage, that's what I would get. Now, as soon as an item does sell, they will take the payout percentage and they will apply this 1099 to that payout, and then I will get the difference. And then that's how they will make up the $10.99 that I have asked because of the return assurance to get those items back that haven't sold. And then after I have used up and kind of repaid that 1099, then everything else I make will be my payout. Now, I have 10 hours until this kit goes into the bidding process. It will go into bidding process for 12 hours, at which time sales can be made on these items. When that next 12-hour window is up, then I will have 12 hours again to adjust my prices before the item goes live for sale. And so if I do decide then to, or if I didn't have a chance to raise my prices after the bidding process, then I can raise them again at that time. What else do I want to say? um, let's see. Some items are on for 60 days. Some items are on for 90 days. That's Thredup's discretion. They have a list of which items are on for 60 days, which items are on for 90 days. Um, Once an item is on for a while, then you have the opportunity to reclaim it if you want to at any time. Oh, one of the other things I want to, there are kind of 3 or 4 different categories or ways that Thredup describes an item: new, excellent, good, and then if there's like a mark or a stain or something on there, that they went ahead and accepted anyway. Now, one of the things that when I look for in prices and where to price items is I look definitely for which items are new. In this case, I don't believe, no, none of these items are new with tags, but I will look then for the items that are excellent, marked excellent. And those items I try to keep as high as possible because those are really good quality items. If it's just marked good, then there's a good chance that I will lower the price. And again, I refer back to my spreadsheet to see kind of where Thredup thinks the good starting price is in relation to the price that is max. And I try to find an area where I'm comfortable with the payout amount for an item, knowing that coupons can be applied that are going to lower that payout amount because it's going to lower the price amount. And I think I pretty much covered everything. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. If you like this type of content, I'm also going to be doing some Thredup kit analysis because I have some kits that have gone through the whole cycle and I'm going to be doing analysis on those kits. Consider subscribing to my channel and clicking the notification button so you'll get notified of when I have new Thredup selling videos out, and appreciate a like on this video on your way out. And thank you for watching. And I feel like there's one more thing I want to say, so I'm just going to scroll around really quickly. And oh, at any point, you can adjust these prices once an item goes live. You don't have to wait for anything. Once it's live, you can go ahead and adjust that price anytime you feel like it. So sometimes if a holiday is coming up or a weekend or a payday is coming up, sometimes those are good times if you feel like maybe an item is priced too high and you want to feel like, well, maybe I'll drop it $5 or $10 and see if I can get some interest in the item. You can do that at any point. You don't have to wait for anything. And again, just pay attention to your payout amount and make sure you're comfortable with that. And thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.